Hello everyone, my name is Faizan Ahmed of Group 182A11. Today my topic in biochemistry is water salt metabolism, features of metabolism in nephritic tissue. Function anatomy of kidney. Renal capsule, outer membrane that surrounds the kidney. It is thin but tough and fibrous. Renal pelvis, basin-like area that collects urine from nephrons. It narrows into the upper end of the ureter. Calyx, extension of renal pelvis. They channel urine from pyramids to renal pelvis. Cortex, the outer region of kidney, extension of cortical tissue, contains about 1 million blood filtering nephrons. These are the filtration units of kidney. Renal vein removes the filtered blood from kidney to the inferior vena cava. Ureter, it collects filtrate and urine from renal pelvis and takes it to the bladder for urination. Mechanism of urine production. Key: glomerular filtration. Water and solutes smaller than proteins are forced through capillary walls and pores of the glomerular capsule into the renal tubule. Tubular reabsorption. Water, glucose, amino acids, and needed ions are transported out of the filtrate into the tubule cells and then enter the capillary blood. Tubular secretion. Hydrogen ion and potassium ion, creatinine and drugs are removed from the peritubular blood and secreted by the tubule cells into the filtrate. Now hormonal regulation of reabsorption and secretion of water, ions and kidney. Now important hormones are antidiuretic hormone, juxtaglomerular apparatus which secretes renin. It initiates conversion of angiotensin to angiotensin 2, which increases blood pressure and blood volume by constricting capillaries. Angiotensin 2 also stimulates adrenal glands to secrete aldosterone. Atrial natriuretic factor walls, it releases from the walls of atria and inhibits release of renin, salt reabsorption and aldosterone release. Now renin angiotensin mechanism. It, as you can see in the map below, angiotensin converts angiotensin 1 with the help of renin and triggered by release of other hormone from angiotensin 2, which then its effects directly cause arteries to constrict, resulting in an increase in blood pressure, decreases glomerular filtration rate, resulting in water retention, and increases thirst. Now angiotensin 2 act on aldosterone and ADH. Aldosterone causes nephrons distal tubules to reabsorb more sodium and water, which increases blood volume. Now ADH mediates insertion of aquaporins into nephrons collecting duct cells. As a result, more water is reabsorbed into the blood, causes arteries to constrict. Role of kidney in maintenance of acid-base balance. Kidney plays important role in maintenance of acid-base balance by excreting hydrogen ions, retaining bicarbonate ions. Normally urine is acidic in nature with pH 4.5 to 6. The metabolic activities in the body produce lot of acids with hydrogen ions, which threaten to push the body towards acidosis. Kidney prevent this by excreting hydrogen ions and conserving bicarbonate ions. Chemical composition of urine. Urine consists of two parts, solid and water. Solid is 30 to 70 gram per 24 hours, while water is an average volume of water is 1500 to 1800 milliliter per 24 hours. Now solid part, it contains organic constituents and inorganic constituents. Organic, it is also of two types: normal organic constituents and abnormal inorganic constituents. While inorganic constituents, it consists sodium, potassium, chloride, sulfates, etc. Organic constituents, you can see in the chart. In normal organic, it's urea, uric acid, etc. While in abnormal organic constituents, it's sugar, proteins, bile pigment, etc. Now pathological components of urine. Pathological components are protein, which proteinuria, ketone bodies, ketonuria, glucose, glucosuria, while blood, hematuria, and hemoglobinuria, increased leukocyte pyuria. While chemical examination of urines, routine pH, proteins, ketone bodies, glucose blood in the urine, nitrates, leukocytes. While targeted, these are bilirubin, urobilinogen, amino acid metabolites, hormones, cortisol, sex hormones, and somatotropins.